Good morning folks and welcome to my workshop. A little bit of a plug here for my Vimeo channel. How many of you know about it? How many of you have seen it? Currently there are over 120 videos, 126 at the moment I think, of skill, technique, how-to and project-based videos on my Vimeo channel, Secrets from the Workshop. You can find the details for it at www.armitageleather.com. Have a look at the link below. The latest one on there is the troll wallet. And the reason it's called the troll wallet is because only a mountain troll is big enough to carry this beast. It's a lovely big wallet. It's made in Russian hatch. Smells fantastic. Nice big billfold on the back. There are 8 pockets with the cards sitting side by side. There are 2 receipt pockets, and this means when it's fully loaded, it's still only about 20 millimeters thick. So it's a big wallet. You can get a lot in there, but it's not a big, massive beef burger. That's the latest thing on there. You will learn how to create the template, cut the pieces, all the dimensions that you need are on there, how to skive the edges, how to taper the inside pockets so you don't get this big bulky edge, it steps it down. It's a very nice piece of kit, very nice way of making it. That's not all there is. We have notebook covers, field notebook covers, projects on there, knife sheath project, belt project, and a myriad of other subjects. If you're into bag making, there are 11 videos on there showing how to attach or how to create different styles of gussets and attach them to your bags. Equally, there's 5 videos on there of how to attach bag straps to your bags. And coming up soon, there's a range of videos on bag making itself. So if you haven't had a look at my Vimeo channel yet, go and take a look, see what you think. And if you've got any suggestions of the sort of videos you'd like me to add, let me know. Take care, enjoy.